Morning on this Wednesday, March 21st. Here we go again. Another nor'easter hitting the tri-state area, and the storm is just getting started.
More snow east. Obviously, you're dealing with more snow. Yeah, 6 to 12, potentially a foot of snow out of this, and it's the weight of this snow. That's why we're concerned about, and that's why so many, including me, encouraging folks to stay off the roadways. It's still...
Yo, it's March, and it's still snowing.
Yo, we should be thinking about the pool and shit, bro.
Yo, we out. Oh, safety first.
Turn it on.